Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cache internal error fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right, and then on the search bar type in Solitaire cache. Now once it loads, check for this app icon right here and then tap on it, and now once you are there, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and open up your settings, and then once you are there, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside your iPhone storage, here scroll down until you find the Solitaire class app and then tap on it. Now on tapping, you will be finding the two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is done, all you gotta do is try again and that will fix the issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.